sometimes we need to extract seconds from that given time. So how can we do that? So hi fellows, so our next function is second function. The second function is used to extract seconds from the given time. So the theory of second is the actual second function returns the second component a time as a number between 0 to 59. That means the second function extracts the second component. Second component means that this value is the second component, and this is also second component, this and so on. Then these are in second components. The second function is used to extract the second component of a given time from a given data. So the function is you have to press equal, then write the second function, press it on and put the cell address A2. A2 means this cell, A column and second row, then hit the enter, and then result should be this. And second function extract the whole second like this. Let's learn this function into our spreadsheet. So we come in our spreadsheet, there just a time component which include hour, minute and second. So we have to extract the second component from that column. So directly we can type the second the function that it's ask for the serial number. Serial number means this cell A2, then press close and hit the enter button. This will be the second will be extracted, then double click. The 56 the second component of this time is extracted, and 9 is the second component of A3 cell will be extracted, and so on. So I hope you will understand that function and this question. So that is for today, guys. We will meet you tomorrow. Thank you.